switch it up a little bit. Let us talk about something that Uber is sending out to drivers. And this is in-app messages regarding some safety. It's always good to be reminded of safety when it comes down to it.
Yeah, well, look, man. I mean, this is from my app. All these are from my app. I got bombarded last week with all these in-app messages, right? As if I have a choice, but I just click on it, read it anyway. Look, look, man. Honestly, every time I read these occurrences, which we're going to talk about, and later, carjacking, stabbings, killings, whatever, on the drivers, okay? I'm just kind of numb to it at this point because it's happening so much now that I go like, oh, there's another one. Just like there was another 138th mass shooting in this country in 2023 already yesterday, when the psycho went in and killed a bunch of kids and got into a gunfight. Okay. So this is not about politics. This is about safety. We always tell you people, okay? Forget what Uber is telling you. Had your head on a swivel. You're on your own out there. All the bells and whistles and buttons and ADT buttons and all the stuff in the app is not going to save your ass, man. You are out there on your own, okay? And then if you look at these things, look, Uber, I don't remember Uber sending me this ever about safety. They send you all the other stuff. Oh, look, you can earn $28 between 2 a.m. and 3 p.m. or whatever the heck it is. These are coming because now they're like kind of freaking out that this is happening way too often.
Honestly, this looks like a video that was made recently on safety. Yeah. Beware your surroundings, travel light, keep moving, take your keys with you.
What did that video?
Park in well lit. I did that.
Yeah,
visible areas. Review safety features available in the app. Trust your instincts, and it's not worth it. Where's Carrie if you want?
No, don't be there.
Are they? I think that Uber, you got to get into that.
Yeah, no, I mean, look, all these things that they put in the app is just in the app. You are on your own. Protect your behind. Cancel at any time. Forget about worrying getting deactivated because your cancellation rate is this, your acceptance rate is that. Your life is worth a lot more. Please, people. Plus, we had the display ride last week. Dash cam is a must. Yes, they may get in the car somehow. They may look fine. You put them in your car and then stuff goes sideways. It happens all the time. It happened twice last week. And both drivers dressed in peace. They're gone. I'm like, I mean, I'm honestly, I haven't told you this, Chris. I'm okay. I got cast for like a gig economy documentary that a very famous director is doing. It's going to shoot on the 14th. And they said, you would make a great character in it. Let's just put you in it. I go like, sure. I'm not joking. And they're going to shoot it at my house all day long. Okay. Nice. Okay. I'm like, all right. And the guy goes, you know who's going to watch this? All the politicians in Washington, all the politicians, local legislatures. That's what we're doing this for. I'm like, well, they're going to hear a mouthful because here I come. Because I'm just going to pull punches. I'm telling you this. This is one thing drivers asking for. One single thing. More scrutiny on onboarding passengers, man. They must upload a goddamn valid government ID. That's it. That's all we're asking for, man. I mean, is this difficult? We're in the most selfie-happy society on the planet, man. You're taking 12 pictures of yourself every single minute, man. Just put a goddamn ID when you're becoming a passenger. That's it.
I agree. I mean, right there would solve quite a bit. And then, the biggest thing is the other thing I think they should have is picture of the person so you know who's getting in your car. And then when it comes down to guest rides or something like that, it has to be known to the driver. Hey, driver, there's a guest ride. This is who's coming on. And then, the account holder is responsible if anything does happen. Yeah. But they're able to still know and find that particular person in the event something bad happens. So again, this is going to come down to, these are good things right here to have and to like remind yourself on, but it's going to come down to you. You need to take care of yourself, and whatever you need to do to make yourself feel more protected, do that, because nobody else is going to be in the car besides you. Just be smart about things when it comes down to it. Especially at night, when you're driving, if you're in a an area that you're not familiar with or a high crime area, and you're there and you're sitting or whatever it might be, waiting for a passenger to come or waiting for the next ride to come, always be head on a swivel stick, looking around, seeing what's going on. Is the group of people over there? Is there a problem? Are they looking at you? Again, your gut is going to know a lot when it comes down to it, and trust it. So the biggest thing is when you got a light sitting underneath you and you can kind of see out, and then if you have to take off real quick, make sure you're not parked in front of somebody, or make sure something's not parked in front of you or right behind you, so you can get right out if you need to. Yeah. And again, just more importance of having a dash cam to be able to record anything that may particularly be going down at that particular moment.
Yeah. Well, I mean, can you know what? Honestly, man, I know you guys are watching this Uber and Lyft and whoever you are. Okay. Give me one single reason, one, that a passenger cannot upload a verifiable government ID. Period. One reason. What is it? They're not going to order trips? We're not asking for background checks. I mean, I get it. The golden goose laid the golden egg. I get all that. But ID is still not done. Don't come to me and say, oh, we're verifying emails on debit cards and da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm not talking about that, man. All existing. You have 132 million MAUs, monthly active users on your platform. Why don't you just send them a message, just like you sent me a message in my app, say, please upload a verifiable ID. How about that? Is that too much to ask for? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, there you go.
Oh, and hey, I don't need it on my end as driver. I don't need it. As long as it's on file, as long as if there's a report that goes in, if the police have some sort of issue and need to know, there's got to be something that's better. Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm feeling better.
So,
see, there you go.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.